Kendiat singi hadian ke jinglap ya ke jingbret pathari ki dawai ka menteri sarkar bape ya ketanat ka koi ka khya jong ka jala ka Dr. Ampareen lingdo kala pentip ka sarkar kala dep bantau ka komiti ban pe bnya halo ka jingbret ki dawai hakur kom ka bedai habai kerembat kilap thai ko bor ka Dr. Ampareen lingdo kala kular ban nangni syakmat baro ka kompret ki dawai kan long dak ba phikir ba.
No, the inquiry now went ahead, and we have installed committees. We have installed a committee to ensure that that the disposal of medical waste, bio waste, is handled correctly by government agencies. And as far as that one incident is concerned, I have still not received the report, and I am told that procedures bearing the committee approval were followed as prescribed. It's just that there was no committee in place, there was no drug authority to ascertain the expiry of those medicines, there was no pollution control to make sure that the procedures were followed accurately. But henceforth, we will adhere to all of these mandatory requirements, because bio waste and medical waste are very, very important, and we need as a government to also adhere to prescribed norms. No, it is called the State Committee for Evaluation of Medicines to be disposed of.
There was no committee.
No, there was no committee. But
Yes.
now we have installed it, and we have already told the committee to strictly follow the procedures. Pollution Control Board is part of that committee. The drug authority, the drug controller authority is also a member of that board. The municipal board is a member of the board. Health department is a member of the board. And I'm not sure about who the other members are, but